Drivers on their phones or out of their seatbelts are threatening the roads. When managing hundreds of vehicles, these unsafe driving behaviors often go unnoticed. For operators, making these risks visible at scale becomes a real challenge. Introducing Milesight's AI-powered dangerous driving behaviors detection solution. Powered by the Milesight Dual Vision Traffic X camera and IR flash supplemental lighting, the system delivers fast, accurate, continuous, and stable detection of seatbelt and phone usage. Commonly deployed at fixed checkpoints and signalized intersections, it's designed to empower automated, unattended enforcement. Once a front row violation is detected, evidence with viewable attributes will be snapshots by Dual Vision, while the IR supplemental light ensures clear imaging under varying environmental conditions. Let's take a look at some real road captures. Without IR supplemental lighting, critical details might be hard to identify. But with IR flash support, dangerous behaviors remain clearly visible, even at night. Beyond seatbelt detection, phone-related behaviors, including calling and browsing, are also supported. Seatbelt detection applies to both the driver and the front passenger. Phone usage detection, however, focuses on the driver only. After all, you can't ban your co-driver from navigating for you, right? The faces are automatically masked in any violation snapshots, ensuring enforcement accuracy while protecting personal privacy. To ensure accuracy in different road layouts, we recommend camera and IR lights to be mounted at 6 to 8 meters height, with a 3 meters gap between them. You can use cross-light or parallel light, or install lights on the same side, turning risky behavior into actionable evidence.